installing new Elbi diaphragms. The manufacturer did change the size of these. If you look at the original blue guide here, they measure out at 1/32 of an inch. And the new ones, the fins are a bit thicker. They measure out at 3/64, so that's a notable difference. Now, originally what I would do would be load up a valve guide with the spring and piston and all that, get the diaphragm on the end, and then go ahead and insert it into the valve body like so. But the problem with the newer ones with the thicker fins, you may have run into this, you'll see if you don't have it lined up perfectly, it will actually go in sideways, lock, and shave bits of the fin off. The valves won't open and close, and they don't work. The only successful way I've had with consistently installing these is to take your diaphragms and put them right into the body first, and then take your spring and piston setup, hold it in place with your finger or thumb, and then go ahead and get these installed and tightened down. Now if you install these first, then the stem, you shouldn't have any problems with the fins binding up on you. I have a list of part numbers